Hey everybody, Chris here. So despite a little bit of a pullback in the crypto market today, we still have bullish trends ahead for Dogecoin and other cryptos. We'll be taking a look at that along with Hedera Hashgraph and Algorand. All of that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that little notification bell. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And we've been chopping sideways for about a week and a half, and I'll show that in the charts in a minute. But we do have some running happening because of news that happens. Sometimes it's a little bit of a hype, sometimes it may not be entirely true, but that's how crypto trading goes. But good projects generally trade well. And we have good things ahead for Dogecoin as well. So we're going to cover all of that. Let's take a closer look at the news and the charts. I'll show you what I'm looking at. Yeah, so we'll start here looking at the Dogecoin chart, and we are seeing a pullback right now to about 15.5 cents. So this is a bit of a sell-off that's happening. Look at Bitcoin coming down just below 65,000 right now. So we'll be watching that, and on the live stream at 5 o'clock Wednesday. So join on live stream. We'll be summing up how the trading is going and what might be behind more on this pullback. But overall, the trend is still, if we zoom out and we look at the 4-hour chart, it's still a sideways movement. You look at zoomed in and, oh no, it looks like Doge is crashing. It's not. Look where we were here a week ago. We were lower even. We were in the 14s down here. So you got to zoom out sometimes and say, look, this isn't so bad comparatively. And look at Bitcoin too. Bitcoin was much lower a week ago. So looking at that overall, that not too bad. So one thing that was moving though was Hedera, and we did have this big run up with Hedera from just over 8 cents, run up to 18 cents, and now retracing back down. That was fun to watch, and I had tweeted that like last night, wow, you could have bought HBAR at 8.75 cents this morning, now at 14 cents, not stopping. So was keeping up with that, now at 15 cents. And Hedera went up to 17 cents and still running, and even hit 18 cents. So all of that was happening with this big run up with Hedera. We'll look at the news on that in a minute. And then I said, again, about 8 o'clock last night, about time for Algorand to run like Hedera, because it looked like something was happening on the Algorand chart. And then Algo started running. It's like, all right, let's go. So this is what we had with, and let me zoom into the 2-hour chart. This is what we had with Hedera moving up. Hedera retraced overnight and this morning down to about 12.5 cents. And then started to move back up with trading. Again, we'll cover the news on that in a minute. And here was Algorand. So last night, when I tweeted that, Algorand was just around 19 cents. And then Algorand took off. So this can happen with good projects. And we look at, the crypto bubbles, and we're like, what are the biggest gainers over the past 24 hours? It's Hedera, Algorand, and Bonk. And I own all three of those, so that's good when you have bags of crypto that's moving. And I talk about diversification in your portfolio, not having everything in one bag. And this is why it feels good, because I've got the three biggest gainers right now. Doge is going to do okay though, down about 3% right now, because we're in the middle of this pullback and retracement, but Doge isn't sitting too bad. But what's going on with overall, again, zooming out to the bigger view, where are we right now? It's like with altcoins, we still have this big move yet to be made. So we're consolidating in this little window right now. So this sort of daily like up and down movement, it's not so bad, because we've got this bigger picture, this bigger run yet to come with altcoins. Again, this is going back from 2017 to 2021 and then to 2025, right? 4-year cycles. Again, 2017, 2021, 2025. So we're still in just April of 2024 here. We've got a long ways to go. So looking at this more immediate kind of pullback here that we're looking at happening right now, and the bigger picture, not so bad. So first, Hedera. HBAR token price soars 96% after misinterpreted BlackRock announcement. And so what was this? Well, BlackRock actually had no direct involvement in the tokenization process. This was all this idea of this, partnership between Hedera with Archax and Onera, leading to a significant misunderstanding because BlackRock's ICS US Treasury Fund wasn't really tokenized on Hedera blockchain by BlackRock. It was something that HBAR had done. And I mean, it's still cool and it still shows what could happen with Hedera, but it wasn't really BlackRock. And of course, that big BlackRock news yesterday, to see that run up like that was great. And then, like I said, Algorand, it looked like the Algorand chart was looking like a breakout was about to happen, and it did, which is great to see. So we have the Algorand surge as well. So with the price climb of Algorand, that was good, big 25% run there. Algo's got a great blockchain too, and it can show that good projects, like the biggest crypto hitting the most buzz is the Algo, which is the most representative of the blockchain platform like Hedera Hashgraph. So that's what we were looking at last night. So that's good to see. Good projects should trade well. So it's good to see little pumps happening. But what about Doge? Doge is set for potential surge. Doge holds above bullish trends. Dogecoin showing a bullish trend, stabilizing its price above the 15-cent support level, which it's still holding above. Amid positive market sentiment, this performance aligns with the broader expectations within the Dogecoin community, which is optimistic about the coin's potential rise toward $1. Crypto trading expert Kevin recently expressed a bullish outlook on Dogecoin's performance. And he's looking at the Dogecoin BTC chart, which we've been watching a lot, and how Doge has been performing against Bitcoin, currently consolidating in the golden pocket that's on the fib levels, that golden pocket level, sitting above all bull market uptrending MAs. This is a very good sign if we can hold it in terms of seeing Doge outperforming BTC from here on out. Will Doge reach $1 though? Well, it's a crapshoot, right? I mean, $1's a great price target, but there's more Doge now than there was in 2021. There's a lot of hype around Doge that moved it in 2021. Now we really need the news. We need the real utility, the catalyst to make it happen. And so we're waiting on that though. A $1 price tag would represent a 36% increase from Doge's May 2021 all-time high of 73 cents. And it'd be a 525% increase from today's price at 16 cents. But Doge can do it. We've seen other memes run. We saw Pepe run. We saw Sheeb run. We saw Whiff, right? And so Doge can do it. But again, it's now based less on hype and more about something actually happening with Doge. Doge is one of the most cyclical altcoins in the space, Rex Capital told Cointelegraph, adding that the rising popularity of other meme coins shouldn't have a major impact on investor sentiment towards Doge. Other meme coins launching doesn't mean Doge is going to suffer. We know that Doge has this great community, and we're all behind Elon and what's going to happen with X, Tesla, and SpaceX and others, and it's all building towards that. Dogecoin update: what 10 billion Doge nearing profits means for holders. Yeah, so this is looking at current holders in a range on Into the Block who've been looking at where Doge's price is, where holders are still in profit, and if Doge's price starts dropping even more, what's going to happen with all of those holders. For now, this will keep investors pushing towards a rise, keep them away from selling. Will a much bigger pullback? If it pulls back down below 15.1 cents, would there be some selling happening because of fear in the market? That's always a chance that can happen. Now it says Dogecoin flying under the radar, flashing a bullish signal. Again, this is looking at Ali, and we've looked at Ali's charts, past live stream and a couple videos about, again, patterns going back from 2017 to 2021. And here we are again in a very similar position, breaking out of a descending wedge. And this is accelerated in time. It's not on a 4-year cycle, but this has only been 3 years now, and we're already showing those bullish signals. Does that mean we're going to kind of chop here for a while? Again, that's what I was showing on the live stream Monday night, is the choppiness we may have over the summer, but still could be in an upward trend. And the big run could be delayed from this fractal that Ali had to a little bit later. Dogecoin strives for stability above 16 cents. Look, the price action of Dogecoin today reveals a relatively stable pattern, maintaining its ground in a market that's shown considerable movement in other meme-based assets. Again, that doesn't mean that Doge isn't going to go on its own run, though. So that's what we could see. Again, right now, you look at the chart and you say, Doge is dropping, but then you zoom out and you're like, oh, yeah, Doge is okay. This is a relatively small little pullback in an overall weekly upward trend that's happening. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about Doge and this bullish trend looking forward? And anything you want to say about Hedera and Algorand. We'll talk more about all of that and more in our live stream Wednesday at 5 o'clock. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.